I want to stop and tell you how I construct my school clarinet. So let's take a look inside. So first I'm going to tell you the name of each piece of the clarinet. So let's get into that. So first, I got my barrels, my mouthpiece with its case, my reed with its case, the bell, the lower section, the upper section, the ligature, and then my top reed. So now I've got all my things out of my clarinet books. How about we start constructing it? So first I'm going to put down my chapstick on every area that has wood on it. So now I finished putting all the chapstick on every area that has wood. I'll close my chapstick up, I'll put it aside, and I'll start by connecting the barrel and the mouthpiece together. What I use the chapstick is so that I can connect the pieces easier and I won't have to struggle. Well, I guess now I'm just going to start by carefully removing my reed from its case, because this is very delicate and it is also very easy to break. So I just put the flat side down right here. The fat side should be at the bottom, the skinny side should be at the top. Then you got your ligature. You screw it a little bit, just a little loose. And then you can get your reed and your mouthpiece with your barrel again. You can put it there, right there. You can take a ligature, then you can place it right in to keep it in place. I think I might need some help putting this in. Alright, so now I got some help. I forgot that I meant to put the screws on the right hand side, which I got some help with. So now it's secured. I have to screw back the little screws, kind of like a door handle or like a key, but it's not. Let me screw the other one. Yup. So now I've got my mouthpiece, my reed, my ligature, and my barrel. I can move on to constructing the rest of my clarinets. So I thought of starting with my bell and then my upper section and lower section. So let's get into that. So I'm sure this is your lower section that I put right in the bell right there. Yep, just squeeze it in a little. I've got somebody to help me connect this soon. So now I've got my upper section. I press this hole, and then I twist it left and right so all of these holes are lined up. It's gonna take a while. I think I actually need some more grease on this thing. You put a little bit more, not too much more. So now I am finished connecting the upper section, lower section, and the bell. I'll take these, and then I have to put this at the top. It's very, very, very tall, as you guys can see. Alright, so now I've got my full clarinet, top to bottom. I got my bell, I got my lower section, my upper section, my power, my mouthpiece, my reed, and my ligature all built up. Then I think I am done for today. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I put in a new video. And don't forget to like also. Bye!
That's all, folks.